Okay, like there is another example I will tell. There was a park, something like Indra Park. There is a park is there. There are two kids. They are playing like anything. They're enjoying like anything with the balloons and with the loud voice. Then the remaining people who came for the park for peace, for peacefulness case, the people who came, then they are telling, they are getting disturbance like anything with their nonsense. The kids, right? They are going to loudly, they are going to raise the voice like these people, pleasantness by default getting disturbed. Then immediately, almost around 10 members are there. They are telling, hey, don't shout, don't loud, be silent. Like the kids are not in a position to listen because they are kids, right? Then they identified, all these 10 members identified who is these kids' father. They identified that and they are ready to give left and right. Array, make them silent. They are disturbing like anything. Nonsense. We are coming here for just for pleasure, just for peace. But our peace, pleasureness, all the things by default got disturbed because of your kids. Like these people are trying to give left and right. Then automatically legend, his parent, his father. Just after 5 minutes, father used only one word. Yeah, I thought that I want to stop them. But I didn't. The reason for that is just now, few minutes before, the kid's mother in the opposite hospital died. Died. Okay, they don't know even that news. So that's why I'm not in a position to stop them. Like the father used the word. Then what about these are 10 members film? These 10 members, instead of showing angry, everyone, they are trying to provide ice cream, they are trying to provide balloons, extra small toys, they are trying to give to the kids. Observe that very carefully about this point. So, without knowing completely opposite persons, don't judge. That thing is a very, very important. With respect to the financial also, don't compare. Hey, that person is getting more money, but I'm not getting the money. Hey, that person is behaving something like very narrow mentality with respect to the money. Okay, don't compare. Forget about others. Okay, so once you stop the comparison, you will get more pleasantness, more happiness. Okay, more happiness, more pleasantness. But compare with yourself. When compared with yesterday, today at least 1% improvement is there. Today at least 1% improvement is there. Like you require to compare with yourself, then sky is the limit. You will become exponential growth. By default, no one is going to stop you. Believe me. Okay, I told right in the atomic habits one beautiful point. If you are going to improve 1% every day, if you are going to improve 1% every day, 1% every day within a year, how many times you are going to, we calculated that also. How many times you are going to improve?
37%.
37 times, not one time, 37 times. You will become 37x. If current position is x, if you are improving every day just 1%, then you will become 37 times. You will become better. Remember this. That's why forget about environment. Forget about anything. Just only one thing you people should require to take. Compare yourself. Analyze all your opinions. Write all your opinions about the money. And then whether these opinions are carrying from my childhood, is these things are real, is these things are meaningful, can I carry these things for the next 10 years, for the next 20 years with me, like you require to cross check.